तो ये आपका सेकंड इंटरव्यू है, ओके, सेकंड सेशन।
हाँ सर, यस सेकंड इंटरव्यू।
तो आपको तो पता है कैसे इंटरव्यू सेशन होती है, पर्सनल, टेक्निकल, फीडबैक, पता है सारी चीजें।
यस सर,
तो सर
यस
कैन प्लीज
सर,
स्टार्ट आवर इंटरव्यू सेशन।
यस सर,
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
yes sir. So myself, Cadet Abdul Kaif Siddiqui from Indian Maritime University, Kolkata campus. I grew up in Lucknow and done my schooling from St. Teresa's College. Apart from academics, I always been interested in managing technical departments, and also I was the technical in charge of my technical committee of my school. And I joined the college back in 2018, and after that I began to explore my career in this field. I also won some technical events like pipeline tracing that was organized by Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training, and board ball event that was sponsored by Fleet Management and which was held in my college, Indian Maritime University, Kolkata campus. And moving towards my family, there are 4 persons, including me, my father, who is a doctor, and my mother, who is a housewife, my younger brother, who is currently studying in class 11 science, and me.
You are not audible.
I'm not audible, sir?
Yes, you
Sir,
are audible.
actually, I am finished my introduction, sir.
Okay,
Actually, sir, I am finished my introduction, sir.
okay. So tell me why you choose marine engineering course.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, when I was in class 12th, and after passing that 12th examination, we had a career counseling by my school. And on in that, a senior came who is the currently pass out from my college, that is Indian Maritime University, Kolkata campus, told about this college. Then I got to know about this field, and then I researched about this particular field, and he also told about this college also. So I researched among all the institutes of the maritime training and found that it will be one of the best college because their alumni are spread in different areas. So it will be beneficial for us to join this college because as alumni power is more stronger of this college. So I prefer this college over any other maritime training institute.
Okay, good. What are your ultimate goals?
Sir, ultimate goal, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, you are not audible. Sir.
What are your
Can
ultimate
you?
goals?
Yes,
What
sir.
are your ultimate
Sir,
goals?
my ultimate. Yes, sir. Sir, my ultimate goal is to become a competent engineer, like a chief engineer, through which I can guide my juniors to the best of my knowledge. That what I learned during my several years on in training in your company, and after that, what I learned, I will transfer that particular knowledge to my junior engineer, so that they can also become a competent engineer, and which can and through which all them together can form and can be an asset to your company, sir. That will be my ultimate goal for your company beneficial, sir.
Okay, good. So tell me, how do you tackle loneliness on board ship?
Sir, actually, I used to live alone and in maximum time, sir. And to tackle this loneliness, I used to listen songs and some meditation so that I can tackle these problems. And apart from this, I used to make memes like editing pages on my Insta channel. A page is there whose name is funny name Beowulf Mimmer. So I used to make memes on that, and through them I create enjoyment to all members or all fans on my Insta, those who are following me. And apart from that, I used to study. Through them, I can tackle the loneliness.
Okay. How do you act under stress or under pressure?
Yes, sir. Sir, whenever I feel stress, Sir, I always listen to songs, motivational songs or some motivational speeches, so that I can feel more motivated, and also feel some stress after that, after listening song also. Then I used to go on a walk with my friends to freshen up my mood, sir.
Okay, good. Tell me the
Yes, sir.
regulation regarding oily water separator.
Yes, sir. Sir, the
Yes.
regulation regarding olive water separator that under the MARPOL 7378 under Annex 1 is that,
Yes.
yes, sir, is that the ship should be en route. The the olive water separator or filtering equipment should be of administration if approved, and the
Yes.
oily water separator, the oil content after the discharge from the olive water separator not be more than 15 ppm, and the bilges the bilges should not mix with the cargo oil residues on the oil tankers, and uh, there should be there should be no connection between the bilges and the bilge on the engine room machinery, between the cargo room and machine.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Expand the
Yes, sir.
term ODMCS. Expand the term
Yes, sir.
ODMCS.
Yes, sir. The ODMCS means oil discharge monitoring control system, sir.
How it works?
Sir, basically, sir, in ODMS, sir, we can use two methods, sir. In first method, we can use, sir, 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 can I speak, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm saying that with by using in ODMS, sir, we use two methods, sir. First is ultraviolet light method, and second is photoelectric cell, in which we use the two photoelectric cell with a one illuminating light, and when the oil passes, uh, it transfers the light transfers from the oil and will reflect on the photo cell, sir. There is two units. We have measuring level and we have reference level. In reference level, there is a mixture that has content of oil less than 15 ppm, and it whenever there will be a more quantity of oil in the water, then the intensity of light decreases, and there is a comparator through which the comparator will compare the two intensity of light on the photo cell, and after that accordingly actuate the three-way valve, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Now tell me about
Yes.
regulation regarding sewage treatment plant.
Sir, I'm not very sure about that, sir.
Okay. So what is sewage treatment plant? Do you have any idea?
Sir, till now, sir, I have no idea about that, but I can try that, sir, because the sewage treatment plant is used to dispose the sewage that is or garbage or that is from the engine room or any accommodation space, sir.
Yes, actually disintegrate the larger sewage into minute particles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. No problem. Okay. Explain
Yes, sir.
the working principle of wastewater generator.
Yes, sir. Sir, the freshwater generator basically works on the principle of vacuum distillation based upon the condensation and evaporation, sir. Um, in this, in evaporator shell, there is a vacuum around 98% through which the seawater will enter, and then it evaporates due to and the heating medium is the jacket cooling water from the main engine, and through that it evaporates and then it passes to the demister, and after passing to the demister, due to the seawater temperature, it condenses, and the water will be collected on the condensing condenser collector, and through it the distillate pump will take the suction from that, and then it pass through the salinometer, in which the salinity is being checked, and if there is a salinity level exceeding the required limit, then it redirects to the meter or Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, tell me, what is tappet clearance?
Yes, sir. Sir, tappet clearance is the clearance between the spindle and the rocker arm, sir.
What if tappet clearance is more?
If tappet clearance is more, then it might happen that wall will open slate will release, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Okay. What is jumping clearance?
Sir, jumping clearance is the clearance between the stopper bar on the rudder and the on the hull and the rudder, the leading edge of the rudder, sir.
At the tip of the rudder, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. Good. What is rudder drop?
Sir, actually the rudder drop happens when you burn out of the carrier ring bearing, sir.
Okay. And what are its consequences?
Sir, when the rudder drop happens, then it might there's a hunting of rudder will be there because the when there is a burnout of the carrier bearing, the rudder will move downwards, and due to this, the clearance will increase. And after that, suppose if there is a signal from the 5-degree port, then the rudder stroke might turn 5-degree port, but accordingly, the rudder will not move 5-degree port. It might move 2-degree port. So the hunting of rudder may happen, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Tell me
Yes, sir.
at least 5 compressors safety. 5. At least 5.
Yes, sir. Sir, safety and air compressor, relief valve, sir, relief valve, bursting discs, and low lube oil pressure, low lube oil trip, and compensating ring, and after that we can also have uh, sir. Actually, the 5 things that I have already spoken, sir.
Yes. And also there's some like
Yes, sir.
water no flow trip. Okay.
Yes, sir. Water no flow trip, and the high air temperature trip, high water trip,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. So tell me at what temperature high air trips activate? At what temperature?
Actually, I have no idea about that, sir.
It's about 93, 95 degrees Celsius of air. Right.
Yes, sir. Actually, I think that it will be less than the temperature at which the fusible plug will melt, sir.
Yes. What is the material of fusible plug? What are
Yes,
the
sir.
materials of
Fusible plug
fusible
material
plug?
is, sir, 50, yes, sir. 50% bismuth, sir, and 30% aluminum, sir, and 20%. Uh, Actually, I can remember only those material. Last material I can't remember, sir.
Okay. No problem. What is the function of stun tube?
Sir, stun tube is fitted in the propeller shaft, sir,
Okay.
to avoid, sir, any leaking of water from the sea water into the engine room, sir, through hull.
Okay. Very good. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये बोलूंगा मैं यहाँ इंटरव्यू स्टॉप करता हूँ एंड मैं आपको फीडबैक देता हूँ
Yes, sir.
आपकी इंटरव्यू काफी अच्छी थी नो डाउट आपने टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस को काफी
Yes,
अच्छे
sir.
से हैंडल किया कीप इट अप ओके कीप इट अप आपकी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी है टेक्निकल लाइक
Yes, sir.
दो पैसा होती है एक होती है
Yes, sir.
मैंने कुछ आपसे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछा, ओके, तो आपके जो माइंड में क्लिक किया वो इजीली आप डिलीवर कर पा रहे हो,
Yes, sir.
ये बेसिक है। एंड
Yes,
यही
sir.
सबसे ज्यादा वीकनेस होती है मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट की,
Yes, sir.
यही वीकनेस होती है कि उन्हें सब चीज आता है, उन्हें पता है
Yes,
कि
sir.
एग्जैक्ट प्रिंसिपल क्या है, बट डिलीवर नहीं कर पाते, तो वो आप में
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम
sir.
नहीं है। ओके, अगर आप थोड़ी सी और एफर्ट लगाओगे तो आप अच्छे और कर
Yes, sir.
पाओगे। ओके, तो
Yes, sir.
लास्ट सेमेस्टर का कंपेयर में आपकी काफी
Yes.
इम्प्रूवमेंट है, आपकी टेक्निकल अच्छी है,
Yes,
बेसिक्स
sir.
आपके क्लियर है, पता चल जाते हैं क्वेश्चन से।
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो आप
Yes, sir.
पूछो कोई, अगर आप कुछ क्वेश्चन हो इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड तो पूछ सकते हो।
Sir, was my HR was fine, sir?
व्हाट?
Sir, was my HR is fine, sir? HR.
यस यस यस।
Sir, actually, I want to ask that can you made a video on the workshop tools, sir? Because I have a problem regarding workshop tools that are used on board ship, sir. Because many companies ask about that tools and not aware about that, sir.
वर्कशॉप, ओके यार, थोड़ी टाइम टेकिंग हो सकती है, लग सकती है
Yes, sir.
थोड़ी, यस थोड़ी टाइम,
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
अगर आपने बोला है तो मैं नोट कर चुका हूँ, आ जाएगी लेक्चर।
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, one more thing, sir. Till my company is not coming, sir. Till I am, as I am sitting in the MOL shipping Mitsui USK line, sir. So, sir, can you take my interview at some period of time more, sir? So it will be boost my confidence, sir. Because, sir, one of my batchmate Atif Ahmed, sir, had got placement in Pacific Basin, sir. So I think, sir, I can also be one of the one sitting in the MOL shipping.
यस श्योर। सो आप क्या रेडी हो क्या कल इंटरव्यू के लिए? कल भी इंटरव्यू के लिए रेडी हो?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, अभी तो सर आपकी कंपनी का भी तो कोई सीन नहीं है, क्योंकि सर अभी नाम खाली बच गया है और अभी पहले रिटर्न होगा उसका, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू होगा, तो पहले रिटर्न क्वालिफाई करना है उसके बाद सर। लेकिन सर मतलब मैं चाह रहा था कि सर बीच बीच में सर एक बार सेशन होता रहे सर, तो सही रहेगा सर।
यस यस होता रहेगा। आप कल, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्या आप कल फ्री हो इंटरव्यू के लिए, प्रैक्टिस सेशन के लिए?
यस सर, मैं फ्री हूँ सर। यस सर, मैं फ्री हूँ सर, मैं फ्री हूँ सर।
तो आप मुझे कल इवनिंग एट 6 to अराउंड 7 PM प्लीज आप मुझे टेक्स्ट कर देना। ओके
यस सर, फाइन। ओके
ओके,
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
तो कल बात करते हैं इवनिंग में, राइट? और अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो, वीडियोस देखो,
यस
लेक्चर
सर।
देखो, काफी कॉन्फिडेंस आएगी। ओके
यस सर।
चलो,
यस सर,
चलो फिर
थैंक यू सर।
बाय। ओके, यू आर वेलकम।
यस सर।